Dear students, I am Ravi Kumar V. Today we'll solve problem on isometric projection on square slab with a cone. Let us consider a problem on square slab. Above that you're going to place a cone of base diameter 50 mm. Okay, a problem says that a cone of base diameter 50 mm and height 40 mm is placed centrally on the top face of a square slab side 80 mm and height 20 mm. Draw the isometric position of the combination. Okay, you have the solution here. Okay, you have to draw a square slab of side 80 mm. Okay, thickness 20 mm. Above, you're going to centrally, you're going to place above this square face. Centrally, you're going to place a cone of dia 50 and height 14. This is a combination of two solids. You have to draw isometric projection of these two combinations by using ISO sketch sheet in manual drawing. Let us go to ISO sketch sheet. In ISO sheet, okay, first you have to take a square slab side of 80 mm. Okay, first you construct base side of the square slab. Okay, go to take your normal scale pencil. Okay, a little bit of zoom this area. Go to line command. So now take your normal scale. You construct at any one particular point. You start from one particular point, front corner. Okay, from here one side B, you have draw the base side edges along with the ISO axis line. ISO axis line, the base side will be 80. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Okay. Similarly, other side 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, 70, 80. Okay, similarly, this also other side you have to draw along with the 30-degree axis line with 8 boxes, that is 80 mm. Similarly, other end we join. Now you constructed base of square. In your normal scale pencil, you draw along with 30-degree line. You draw 80 mm this side, 8 boxes this side, 8 boxes this side, 8 boxes. You construct base side. Okay, height will be given 20 mm. Height will be given 20 mm. Take from here 2 boxes. Take from here 2 boxes. Vertical line, vertical edges should be vertical in isometric. Same similarly, you take all 4 vertical edges. Okay, draw with that your normal scale and pencil. Then again, go to line command from scale pencil, draw top side edge, join top side corners. So you'll get top side square slab 80 mm side. Okay, one more important step here by using eraser. Okay, erase invisible or hidden edges. These are invisible edges. Remove the invisible edges. Then go to line command. Okay, go line command. So normally you're going to use your normal projection line, light lines. Okay, locate the center. First to locate the center of the top square slab from midpoint to the midpoint. Okay, locate from midpoint here, 4 boxes from here to here, one line from here midpoint to the midpoint. Draw this line, locate the center. Now above this, you're going to place a cone base circle of 50 mm there. Okay, I told in the last problem, all circles in isometric will be look like ellipse. All circles in isometric look like in ellipse in isometric projection. Okay, now circle dia will be given 50, so you will get 50 square. Okay, you'll get 50 square. Okay, now what you have to do here? So now try 50 square with this center location, top side center location. How to draw that one? Go to line command. Okay, from here 10, 20, 25, one of box. From here 10, 20, 2.5 boxes, 10, 20, two boxes, up to two boxes, 0.5, 2.5 boxes. From here, 10, 20, 2.5 boxes. Okay. Then again, from this center, take 20 on this side, 25. Again, from here, draw along with 30-degree line, 2.5 boxes, 50. Total length you can draw 50. Same similarly, this side 50. And again from here, go along to parallel to this 50 and join this. Total now you have constructed from this center point you have taken 20 mm. From here, along with parallel to this iso-axis line, 25 this side, the midpoint, 25 this side, and 25 this side, 25 this side. From here, 25 this side, make a square slab. Okay, once you construct square slab inside, outside 50, okay, in this you have to construct ellipse. Okay, our circle should be ellipse. How to construct ellipse? Already I told in previous problem. Take line command from midpoint to the here one corner, midpoint to the corner to the midpoint, draw a line, midpoint to the midpoint of the opposite side. Similarly, same corner to the midpoint of the other side of the midpoint. Similarly, draw a line from opposite side to the midpoint of this side, and again similarly the same corner to the midpoint of side. Once you construct this, it intersects. Okay. Okay. Then go to erase, or have this intersection one point here, one point here. Okay. Go to arc by center point. Okay, first you have taken this corner to this radius. Take this radius, draw an arc. Similarly, go to opposite side. Take either this radius or this radius. Any one radius you take and draw an arc. Similarly, intersection point. From this intersection point, don't take center from center. You have to take this intersection point. Take this radius, draw an arc. Take this center. Take this radius, draw an arc. Okay, in your normal compass, to draw the arc. Zoom the area, go to arc. Your normal compass, small compass, take this midpoint. And here take this radius, draw an arc. Similarly, from this end, okay, now we have constructed a ellipse in the 50 square slab. In 60 square, we have constructed ellipse. But height of the cone will be given 40 mm. Height of the cone will be given 40 mm. Okay, now go to line command. That you select the center line. Okay, from the midpoint of the cone or midpoint of the square slab. Okay, height of the cone will be 10, 20, 30, 40. This will get this height of the cone will get here, this point. Then go to visible line. Go to visible line, draw a line from this end, midpoint of the vertex point of the cone, from vertex point of the cone to the draw a tangent arc. When you get this symbol, tangent arc, this is called tangent arc. This symbol you can call as tangent arc. Similarly, go to here to midpoint of this cone, and you get tangent. And then select front curve of the cone, make dark line. By using your pale and scale dark pencil, you can dark it. Okay, go to select tool. Here I'll select this, and this I'll make it visible. Okay, so that will be your freehand sketch. You draw dark this portion. Okay, this will be how you are going to draw by using ISO sketch sheet. Okay, first you start from front side, 80, 80, go vertical height 20, 20, construct this top square, and then locate the center point, and construct square box. Then with this square box, construct ellipse. Then join the corners of the cone from the vertex point and see how you are going to construct by using manual scale pencil and eraser and compass, okay, in iso sheet. Similarly, you are going to construct by using solid edge software. Okay, how to use solid edge software? Similarly, you can go to plane sheet. Okay, here for plane sheet in solid edge software. Similar way, you can construct by using tools command. Go to sketching. First, you draw the bottom square box 80. You start from any one point. Okay, you have to draw 80 length with angle 30. Enter. From this end, 80. Enter 150. Then this end, 80. Enter minus 150. Then enter makes 80 minus 30. Join this. Okay, first you construct base square box. Similarly, go to vertical line, will be 20. Here also 20. Here also 20. Here also 20. Then join this top four corners by using line command. Dot. Okay, then trim using trim command, erase invisible edges. Then above this, you have to locate a square box. Okay, square box of, because cone diameter will be 50, you'll get square of 50. Okay, locate the center by using normal line or projection line from midpoint to the midpoint of this side, from midpoint to the midpoint of other side. Okay, then construct from here 30-degree line, 25, enter. Side 25, enter, because from midpoint radius 25, again 25, enter. Yeah, this side 25, enter. Okay, got all four corners. From here, take 25 parallel to this line. Parallel to this line, 25. From here, from here, 50 total parallel to this 50. From here 50. From here 50. Join this. Okay, once you draw this square slab, okay, from here first 25, 25, 25, 25, 4 edges. From here 25, from here 50, 50, 50, 50. Join this. Once you construct square slab, inside that you have to construct ellipse. How to construct ellipse? Go to normal line. From this end, a little bit I'll zoom this area. From this end to midpoint of the opposite side. From this end to midpoint of this side, draw a line. From other opposite side to midpoint of this side and midpoint from this side. Once you construct this, go to arc by center point. Take from the same corner to the same radius. What your drawn line, take that radius, cut in half. Same similarly, draw in half. Then the opposite side, take this radius or this radius. From here, arc. Similarly, can construct. And similarly, from here construct arc. From here, take this radius. Take this radius. Join this. Then go to visible line. From this end, you are going to work 40 mm side height. Okay, from this corner to this edge. I'm just going to do this here. Make it dark lines and go to select this, select this. Select this, make it visible. Okay, then go to select old drawing, convert to ISO because you are drawn with ISO actual length. Go to here, select old drawing, go to ISO scale, convert to 0.816, enter. It will be reduced to ISO. Okay, this is how you are going to construct using Solid Edge software. Okay, any clarification about you can contact through WhatsApp or call. Thank you.